Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, and today I'm going to teach you how to make data logger in Microbit, but in a complex way. Not in a complex way, in more a complete way. So first, what is data logger? Let's search it. Data logger. What is data logger? Data logger is an automation between data logger and server software platform with a certificate handshake encryption of the communication with a block chipper supported by a key exchange function. So, in short, data logger is a chip or sensor that can read something that you want. For an example, temperature data logger. This is the temperature data logger, and same like this. There are different types of temperature data loggers. For example, this shape, this, and that. So there are many types of data logger, and today we are going to make the one that is in Microbit. So as you know, we will go to MakeCode. First, MakeCode, and okay, maybe okay. So first, we want to make new project and give your project a name. Data logger, or data logger Microbit is up to you. I'm going to make it data logger Frit. So I'm going to explain the basics of Microbits too. First of all, the basic blocks like show number, and if you play this, it will show the number 0 in here. And for the on start, it's like same as scratch. For on start, it's for the first code that you wanna run, and for forever is the code that you want to run forever, like infinitely, until you stop it. And for the input, these are the on button A. So if the button A in the microbit is pressed like this is the button A and this is button B, it can make an action like button A, button B. Let's see. For example, button A is number and button B is show LEDs, and if I play and then click button A, it will show number. But if I click button B, if I click button B, it will show an LED. And for music, it's just for the sound to make the microbit or the microbit chip. Microbit chip make a sound like this. So as you know, the microbit chip like this will make a sound when played. This is an example, like play melody advance on start melody. Nah, okay, it's like that. And then for LEDs, it's just the LED on the on the back. And for radio is the same. For music, loops is like repeat 4 times. For index every 500 and break and continue. Logic is the thing that counts the code, like if true, and then if if else, and then minus 0 or plus or divide or times. Variables is a thing that you want to make yourself, and then math math is for counting. And today we are going to make a data loader, so we are going to use an extension called data loader in here. This is the data loader extension from Microbit itself, and you just gonna add the data loader, and this is the data loader. So we are going to use the set columns, and then the log data, and unlock full, only those. And for the functions, it's still you wanna make itself, so it's like button B, button A, like these are the functions you wanna make like this, so you go to functions, arrays, there are array. So this is for the advanced Microbit code, like array, text, game, then image, pins, serial, and control. Okay, so maybe that's all for the Microbit blocks. For JavaScript, you can type your code in JavaScript, so you just type like JavaScript things, the code, JavaScript code. But today we are going to use the blocks. So at first we are going to add the onStart with a variable. So first we are going to make a variable name login or logger. That's logger. Okay. After that, you wanna correct this, set logger to 0, and this is just the first. And then you want to go to logic, scroll down a bit, and out false. What is false? False is an like code that makes the logger stop, like set logger to false or true. So true is going to start, and false is going to off. It's just the simple is like that. And then after that, you're gonna want to go to data loader, set columns at this. So first you're gonna want to add x for the temperature. X, it's like the sideways, I think, the horizontally, vertically, and the z, xyz, like usual. But if you wanna add something else, like if you want just the temperature, so you just go to input, and then you'll see this temperature, compass heading, and acceleration. And if you want to use a temperature, you can just make temperature now, temp, the Celsius temperature is Celsius, see. Okay, and then for we are not gonna use forever, but we are going to use loops. Every 1000 millisecond or 1 second, every 1 second you're gonna add if lodging, if lodger is if lodger, then you're gonna want to log data, column, temperature for the value. So the value is need to be temperature, because we are using temperature. If we are using xyz, we are going to use accelerator. We are going to use temperature. And then on button A press, like in here, on button A press, you wanna go to set lodger to not lodging, not set logger to not logger, so it will not lodge the data. And then if lodging, you're gonna want to go logic, and then if true, and then the true you're gonna want to replace with logger. If logger or it's lodging, then you want to make it so it will mark whether it's lodging or not, maybe a heart icon. And then oh sorry, you're gonna want to add if then else this, but else you want to add the icon and whatever you want, maybe a sub face. And then if the memory on the data logger is full, you're gonna want to add unlock full, set lodging, set logger in here to false. And then you're gonna want to mark an icon, say show icon, maybe X because it's full. And this is for the code for the data logger. And then so after this you're gonna want to play it, and then press button A, and then it will detect the temperature. See, this is the data logging. Okay, maybe that's all for my data logger video in more complete explanation. That's all. Sorry for if you don't get it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.